everyone. So this is my 5-item craft challenge to myself. So this is what I've pulled out, and I'm pulling everything out from like my scraps and things and leftovers from projects. So this piece of paper, which is a digital, it's all digital, bingo card, a ticket, this little guy here, so cute, and a little number tile thing. So let's see what I'll come up with. So there we have it. Another little, I did add that onto the back, excuse me, did add that onto the back just for a little bit of, obviously to strengthen that up, because that was just printed out on 120 GSM. So that's this week's little 5-item challenge for myself. Good little thing you can do for yourself, just using up your scraps rather than sitting there. You can create a little piece, you can put it away, you can, that's what I'm going to do actually from now on. All the little things that I'm doing, I'm just going to put them in a little box, and then when I've got enough I'll probably add them all to one little journal or something. So yeah, so there we go. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.